Hi, this scatter is called Seats in Theater, where it's a scatter about, well, about the theater and you want to sneak out because the performance is apparently awfully dull. And what do we have to do? Well, we have to calculate how many people are on the left of us and how many people are behind us that we eventually bother if we sneak out. We get 4 arguments, the total rows, the total columns, the column where we sit, and the row where we sit. And we have to return how many people we bother. Well, let's go. Well, to keep it very simple, here we have a picture of the theater, here we have the numbers, and we have to return 96. Apparently there are 96 people behind us and to the left of us. How do we have to read this? Well, the total of columns are 16. You can count them out, but believe me, there are 16 columns in total. And we have 11 rows. And where are we sitting? Well, on the 5th column, here, on row 3. 1, 2, 3, and we are actually on the 4th row. So how do we calculate how many people are behind us? Well, as follows. First of all, we can do the following for the columns. The total of columns has to be subtracted with the column where we sit, but we have to add up 1. Let's assign this to total columns. As you can see, we have 16 columns in total. When we subtract 5 from it, we get 11, but we have to add up 1. Why? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 columns to the left of us. Then we can proceed to the rows. The rows is very straightforward, so we have the total of rows, and that should be equal to the total of rows just minus the row where we sit. And the only thing that we have to return are the total columns multiplied by the total rows. Or we can rename this to people behind us, for example, and the columns should be the people to the left of us. So we have to multiply this with this, the people to the left of us with the people behind us, and that should return 96. There we go. Well, that should do the trick. Let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. Passed all the tests. Hope this has been useful. Did you learn something from it? I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.